1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see your sushi roll. Oh God, raw fam. Welcome to another awesome recipe. So as you heard, we're going to be doing something different-ish.
Different-ish.
We're going to be doing a sushi roll. So for those who don't know, I'm Stacia Alicia, aka Raw Boss, and this is Kadeen,
the Fruit Bee Queen,
and she's our in-house raw chef or raw chef head. Kadeen will be showing us how to make a raw vegan sushi. Yes. I'm going to leave you to do what you do best, and I'm going to come back to do what I do best, which is to
look at me, taste. As per usual. Okay, so we're going to get right into this recipe. So we have a nori sheet or seaweed sheet right here, and all we're going to be adding to this is some vegetables, that's it, and some nut meat. So we have our carrots, we have cucumbers, sweet peppers. They need to be ripe. Cool? Riper, better. Then we have some kale, some nut meat here, some cashew cheese, and we got some tomatoes, however you want to pronounce. Yes, good. So let's get right into it. So we're going to, how you make this, you're just going to kind of spread your nut cheese just to help make your nori sheet a little bit more pliable.
Is that the cashew nut cheese?
This is the cashew nut cheese.
For those who want to learn how to make the cashew nut cheese, we'll put the link in the description because we already shared that recipe in one of our other raw recipes.
Then we're going to add some kale. So we're in now. Let me just put my glove on. So we're in now with some carrots. Carrots going to add that crunchiness. And then some cucumbers. Now we have taken out the seeds of the cucumbers just to eliminate some of that moisture and the wetness. You can leave it in if you want, but don't throw it away. Add it to your green juice. Add it to your smoothie, right? Some peppers. This looks like it's going to be one awesome sushi. Yeah, add some of your sweet pepper here. Let's keep it together, and then we're gonna come in with some nut meat. We're just packing it on top here.
That's a very big sushi.
Right? We're just compact it here, and then some little bits of tomatoes. Just stuck it right down in the nut meat here. Can't go wrong. All right. So we are going to use our napkin to help us roll this. Roll it. Yeah, got into it. Anyway, let's continue rolling. Then we're gonna take some of our nut cheese to just seal it. I'm just going to roll it right there. Let's take it off this. And all we're gonna do, we're gonna take a serrated knife and we're gonna cut. You see, I can hear my knife, and I can also hear footsteps. I can hear footsteps. I'm cutting my sushi and I'm hearing footsteps.
Hi there.
Hi, Stacia.
Hi, I'm just here.
Guys, we're finished. Cause some people just anchor
Wow.
for my sushi. For my sushi. So, look how easy that was. Why is Stacia here?
I am here because...
Why?
Anyways.
So, all right then. We wanted somebody, because you know we're in front of a live audience, somebody other than Stacia.
Choose somebody along with additionally
to
come and taste. Attila, come Attila. Hey, come right this up.
So,
come right in the center, and we're gonna be tasting the sushi. Alright, let's go. Choose. I'll try it.
Tasty, very good.
I'm not a raw vegan, so I'm going to taste it as somebody who can relate to more. Okay, I give my feedback on it. Honest.
I try to put everything in our mouth.
not you want you to know what this would taste like.
That's really good. What? I'm not mean that
And no meat in there. For the global audience, what she's actually saying. And there is no meat in it.
Right. Yeah.
I have never had sushi before.
Right?
The first time having it.
All in.
Choo. It's good. You don't miss the meat?
Yeah,
Or no?
you don't miss the meat. Let me just.
There's not meat in it.
That's why I don't do the tasting by myself again, because I hear say some of them are saying that everything me eat me say tastes good, and that it don't taste good. So I'm having other persons come to taste it as well and hear their feedback. Thanks again for watching another Rawsome recipe. Thank you, Kadeen, for
You're welcome.
this raw vegan sushi recipe. As everybody said, the feedback is good. It actually tastes good. So that's a good thing. You hear them say? Yeah. Right? So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Also, if you want to try or you want to come over to Fruit Blossoms, shop 28, Portmore Pines Plaza, you can come on over. You can ask Kadeen to prep a raw vegan sushi for you, and I'm sure she will oblige.
No big deal. I will.
For any of the tools you see that we used in this video, you can get it using the link in our description. So whether it's the cutting board, whatever it is, look in the description. And then lastly, if you came thus far, it means that you like what we're doing, and I'm imploring that you support the movement by watching another video. There's 2 videos on the screen right now. Click one and watch another video. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kadeen. And
Thanks for having me.
Rawsome day, Raw Fab.
Yeah. Thanks for having me. Bye.
You have no more?